We are discovering new possibilities of delivering life-saving medicines and medical equipment. The next wave of speedy medicine delivery is ready to take off with V5G and VisBee's emergency services using drones. Get essential medication delivered to exactly where you are. With alerts to let you know as soon as your delivery is near. While ensuring that your order reaches you fast and safely, so that you get what you need when you need it. Using remotely managed drones, real-time video and mobile notifications, powered by V5G's cutting-edge features like enhanced mobile broadband, ultra-reliable low-latency communications, and high upload and download throughput speeds.